Euro USD daily time frame. Now price is almost there near this white trend line. Since this week from Monday to Friday you have big news. If this trend line retests, then scalper can buy. But for next bearish setup, you have to wait for breakout of this trend line. So until this trend line does not break, there is a possibility of bullish euro dollar. GBPUSD clear breakout of this trend line, multiple candle closing below trend line. But price is showing nice rejection on this previous support level. So if this static support level breakout, then next can be 21,635. But it all depends on news this week. USD JPY daily time frame. Price is trading now at that level where Bank of Japan did FX market intervene many times in past. They cannot say clear our rate hike right now, because if they say rate hike, because Japan is biggest holder of US Treasury, 10-year bond yield will fly more. It can easily hit 5% and it can go up to 6%. So now it is clear Bank of Japan will wait for clear signal from Fed. First Fed will do rate cut, then they will do rate hike. But this is your key horizontal resistance 145, then next 151 and your chart pattern. If you see GBP JPY daily time frame, wave A, correction wave V, then right now we are in wave C, which have 5 wave extension and 138 projection for wave C is 187.82. So this can be your next resistance. But if Bank of Japan gives signal of monetary tightening, then this pair can change its direction. Then retest of this lower trend line can be your first dynamic support, and biggest one will be 172.129. If you see CAD JPY daily time frame, then this pair is still trading below this high when Bank of Japan gave signal for YCC. Same like USD JPY. These pair are trading below this previous big high level. So if trend reversal come in upcoming week, then support 104, but long term BOJ will do rate hike and Japanese yen will become strong and these pair can go down. And now if you see dollar index, because euro dollar, GBP USD and USD JPY, direction of this pair depends on dollar index, because these currency are part of dollar index. That's why last week it could not break above 103 resistance while yield were flying high, because country like China and Saudi Arabia who were dumping US Treasury, they are not part of dollar index. So this is your key resistance, and in past I have been bullish on dollar. So let's see what happened this week after Fed speech on Friday. And these three level 103, your first nearest key resistance, next 105, and first big support 100.48. Breakout can happen after Fed speech, but next direction we will decide after Jackson Hole meeting. Then Bitcoin daily time frame, it was sideways, but last week it crashed vertically. In past, when Bitcoin was trading near 5000, everyone was bearish and it hit 69,000. But you can see, since all of them are bullish on Bitcoin, all same people who were saying Bitcoin will go zero, they all are now bullish. And BlackRock bought Bitcoin yesterday and now it is crashing. So as long as these companies are bullish on Bitcoin, it is bad sign for Bitcoin investor. And this is your first big resistance, 25,000. Then next, US oil daily time frame. Price almost did fake breakout on 82 resistance, and your small Paler channel on H1 time frame. Now it is breakout. So this 75 is your key horizontal support level. If it retest and OPEC did protection cut once again, then next time it can easily break out 82. So 74.69 support and 93 resistance, and you can call it correction. Then silver daily time frame, you have this trend line. It has been tested many times. If trend line retest again as a dynamic support, and this previous low can be your double bottom until this level breaks. So price is showing big rejection on this previous support level, and we also have 61% retracement of this last wave. So here you have three types of support: trend line, static support, and fib level. And silver price action is different from gold. You can see it made bottom in September, while gold made bottom in November. So scalper can trade with bullish bias, while gold is showing no sign of reversal. You can see it is showing rejection on that horizontal support level, while gold was crashing at the same time on daily and H4 time frame. Fed speech will decide where precious metal will go this week. If Fed change from hawkish to dovish after 1 year, then this support level can survive. But important thing will be where market close on Friday. So this level 22.23 key horizontal support level, but resistance is new higher high. And SP 500 daily time frame, now it is coming down and now it is testing previous key horizontal support level 43.25. Next will be 41.95. These two are big support level. If price break below this level, then entire market sentiment will completely change. These were the same time when you were saying soft landing, while entire time they were selling SP 500. So this was your top last year before Fed Jackson Hole meeting. He was super hawkish. Everything break out below previous low. So if he sound hawkish again, then it can easily break below 41.95. But I doubt on hawkish, maybe he turned dovish this week. So on Friday, where market closed above support or below support level, it completely depends on Fed. But soft landing will not happen same like their transitory inflation. Nasdaq now it is coming down and 13,720 is your next big support level. So hawkish Fed is bad for stock. Dovish can be short-term bullish. And Dow Jones Industrial Average, same like SP 500, is now testing key trend line. So it has been tested many times, and if trend line breakout this week, then it can easily retest previous support. Then US 10-year bond yield chart, it is going up, almost they are testing this October last year resistance. So if Fed turns hawkish, then it will break out this level and it will not stop before 4.5%. In that condition, gold, SP 500, all of these things will go down. But if Fed sound dovish, then it can also reverse. But since October last year, things have changed. So Lawrence Summer is still saying it is more likely to go higher. But one more week, on Friday, everything will be clear. It will break out 4.3 level or it will go back to 3.5 level. But this week will be most important. Even if you missed price action on Friday, do not worry. Next week after Monday, you will get majority of price action. But I think rate hike has ended, and now only question matter is what will be length of rate pause. Right now market is expecting pause until May 2024. So back to dollar index daily time frame, you can see multiple daily candlesticks are struggling to break above 103.1739 level. So big players are waiting for Fed Jackson Hole speech, then entire market will decide what we will do next.